Okay, let's go over here and go down the lake. I think... Huh?
There's a lot more water in there.
Oh, hell yeah, there is. I'm gonna go out here a little way. I gotta walk over here so I can see what the hell I'm doing, for one thing.
Just sounds choppy.
Yeah, it didn't fill up much. There's a bunch of ducks and stuff out there. You can see them. Yeah, I know. I ain't worried about it.
Look at all that ice, dude.
Hold on, I want to get over here a little bit.
I'm gonna fall over that fucking hill.
Okay, what am I at? I'm at 300 feet out. Let's see here.
Oh, Christ, dude, that's over a foot thick.
I'm gonna go, what's a mile? 5,000 feet?
Yeah, 5,000 something.
Is it?
Yeah. I think it's 5,284 or something like that.
Okay, well, let's do it.
You be out there.
You watching?
Yeah.
See, you gotta have your spotters. Okay.
I can still see it.
We're at 1,000 now.
You going up again?
Just a little bit. I just want to make sure I'm going to be able to get signal, that's all. Okay, we're at 1,300. We're doing 17 miles an hour.
Looks like you went into a cloud there.
Well, I can see fine on the screen.
Drone.
Okay, so we're at 2,000. GPS is good, I guess. Well, when I come back, it'll be a lot quicker because there's going to be no headwind.
Yeah, it'll be all in your ass.
Right. I'm at 2,500.
What, out or up?
2,500 out. 27 now. That sun is getting to me. It glares.
Dude, that's why I always bring these mirror shades. We're doing this shit. Don't you go down that fucking hill?
I know, dude. I'm just following the stream, you know.
All right.
What is a mile? 5,200 feet?
I thought it was 5284 or something like that. Let me see if I got any fucking...
We're almost at the end of the lake. Actually, there's not much room left to even fly. Yeah, we're pretty much at the end, man. I'm going to go up a little bit higher.
Length of a mile in feet.
Equal to 5,280 feet.
That's what I thought.
And we're almost at the road, dude. 5,000 what?
280.
Okay, we made it. 1 mile. There it is. 5,320 right there.
I thought it was 284. It's 280.
Okay, so Lake Donegal is basically 1 mile long. Okay, that's what it is.
Yeah, because you're at the end of it, right?
Yep, I was at the road. I made it all the way out to the road.
A mile out.
Yeah, it's a mile out. Yep.
The wind mag. I used to be into all that, dude. Getting AKs and fucking.
Okay, you might start hearing it pretty soon.
What, seeing it?
Or hearing it, one or the other.
I damn sure can't see it. I'll watch you go out pretty far there. Unless you're down around the bend by the trees.
It's coming.
I think I can hear it.
I'm over that water now. But I'm 300 feet up too, so I'm gonna start lowering it. I'm only 1,400 feet away now. I'm gonna slow it down here and bring it down some.
I should at least be able to see it by now.
Okay, I'm bringing it down to 200, and then we'll cruise in from the 200 spot. Okay, I'm bringing her right toward us. It's looking right at us as we're standing there. Should be right there.
Oh yeah, I didn't know you was waiting. I thought I'm looking over here at the clouds.
Hold on, I don't want to trip here and break my nuts. I'm like 500 feet out right there.
How high are you?
168 feet now. This thing flies like a dream, dude.
Does it?
This is Evo. This thing was a G, man.
I thought that little one flew better than that.
Oh, no. The Mavic Mini's nice, but it ain't this nice. Trust me. Okay?
Now what is that, the Parrot?
No, this is the Autel Evo. It's nice as hell, dude.
Autel what?
Evo.
I couldn't find a jacket for work.
All right, so now we know Lake Donegal is a mile wide, a mile long. Because basically that's what it is. Man, that thing flies like a bear, man.
Does it?
Yeah. That thing, watch out, it's got obstacle avoidance. It's tripping it off. Okay, well, I'm going to stop the video recording. I never hand catch this beast yet. I think I'll pass today on doing it too.
I wouldn't want to use that.